Welcome to Sparks Toyota. Here we have a 2018 Toyota Tundra 4-wheel drive 1794 edition. It has only one previous owner and comes with power folding heated mirrors with signals, rain guards, deep tinted privacy glass, and much more. 20-inch 6-spoke alloy wheels, all-season tires, fully automatic LED auto high beam daytime running lights, fog lights, recovery hooks, and a strong 8-cylinder 4-wheel drive with only 28,574 miles. The power rear window, the tow package, the step bumper, parking sensors, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders. We can't forget about the power sunroof, the front row power heated and cooled leather bucket seats with driver memory, cruise, dual zone auto climate, a locking glove box, selective internet, a garage opener, a leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia and navigation touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth and voice recognition, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze. Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.